Welcome back to another video. First I want to start off, thank you so much guys for whoever watched my previous videos. If you want to be the first subscriber, please go ahead, because right now I have no subscribers, so you can do that below. So today we are going to be installing a WordPress on Cloudways. So first thing you're going to need to do is go up and click on top, click pricing on top. Now scroll down. So I'm going to click on DigitalOcean. I'm going to do a DigitalOcean one. That's the cheapest one. I'm going to click on the $22 one, click Start for free. So that basically, that's the highest account that we could do for free with this. So it's going to take me to this page, and this is where I'm just going to put in all my information and let this run. And once we are done filling this in, we will go ahead and click Start Free, and it will load us to the page to get started. Now the first things first is we're going to need to approve our email address. So we're going to have to go into our email account, click on the email that Cloudways has sent us, and just click Activate Account. Now once you click that, it will reload, and then you can start choosing your server, setting it up. Okay, so once that's activated, we're going to go ahead and start signing up our account. On top of it, we're going to click WordPress version 5.3, the default install. We're going to name the application, and you can leave those as is. I'm going to click DigitalOcean, server size 2 GB. Click on the location closest to you. I'm in New York, and we're going to click Launch Now. And right now is the server has already launched, and it's going to take about 7 minutes for it to start up. Now the good thing about Cloudways is it's not like other hosting services, and they're going to give us a domain name, a subdomain. So that's already automatically connected to our website that we don't need, we don't need to put our own domain in order to start using it. But I'm going to show you how to set up your domain within Cloudways. So I'm just going to speed this up, and I'll see you back when this is done. And now that it's done, it has installed our server and installed our WordPress application onto this server. You can see over there is our IP address, which we are going to be using to connect to our domain. So if you don't want to put your own domain first, you just want to use WordPress, just click on www, click on your application, or my first the name of your application, and over here is where it'll take you directly to your access details to your website. So this is your access details. On this page has all information about your account, about your application, your admin panel right here, and you could click this URL and it'll take you to sign in into your WordPress website. So we're just going to get and you see it gives you a its own subdomain, so you don't have to connect your domain and wait till that propagates all over the internet. So we're going to take our username, they're already set up for us. This is going to be our email address that we signed up with. Then we're going to copy the password, and we're going to paste it in, and we're going to click login. And there you have it. You have WordPress set up right now, ready out the box to use. You don't have to set up any domains. You already have SSL on there. You could set everything up, and then when you're ready to make your WordPress site live, then you could connect your domain. And you could just test it out, see what it's all about, see if you like it. I tested it out for 2 days. I liked it after that, and I basically started migrating all my websites to here, because it really is much faster than HostGator, which I came from, and it is so much easier to use, and I love it. So it's so much faster, the websites. It is a little bit more expensive. I was paying like $11.99 for HostGator, but now $20 with this one, Cloudways. But compared to HostGator, it's so much faster. HostGator is too slow. No one will want to come to your WordPress website. And after 3 days, you can choose to upgrade your account, and if you don't upgrade it, then it'll just start costing. You just can't access your account, I believe. So thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead, subscribe, comment, like the video, and do everything else you do on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.